Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Apple iPad Air 11-inch M2. It's 128 gigabytes and it's Wi-Fi only. So let's see exactly what comes in the box. I want to be really careful. It could fall out. All right, yeah, it's right there on the top. Lift this up. Here's the actual iPad. All right. Ooh, it looks nice. 3 little connections here. We got a camera. Looks like volume button. Looks like USB-C for charging, speaker, and a power button that is actually a fingerprint reader also. So let's set it on the case right there. What else comes with it? What accessories? So we get a charging. This is the 20 watt. Yeah, the 20 watt charger and a cable. So this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. This is how you're going to charge the iPad Air. And that's it. Yep, no more sticker. Looks like we got an instruction manual. Yeah, it looks like you can put it magnetically will hold an Apple Pencil, USB-C. Power button is Touch ID. And it has the smart connector for iPad accessories. 20 watts, you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2.22 amps. And that's it. Now the cable is kind of like cloth wrapped and it's 39 inches long. Let's measure the actual iPad Air. 9 3/4, 7 inches, and it's not very thick at all. 1/4 inch thick. And it looks like the screen, it looks like it right at 11 inches. Not super heavy. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.